blenders remain one of the most versatile and frequently used appliances in home kitchens, handling everything from smoothies and crushed ice to sauces, soups, and doughs. In this review, I evaluate 5 models that span a broad price range to help readers identify where value and performance intersect.
List number 1. Ninja Professional Blender 1000 Watt. The BL610 is Ninja's entry into high-capacity countertop blending with a 1000 watt motor and a generous 72-ounce pitcher. It emphasizes total crushing technology to handle ice, whole fruits, and frozen ingredients, aiming to deliver resort-style drinks at home. The build is solid, with a BPA-free pitcher and a 4-speed control baseline, and it includes a recipe guide to inspire usage. This model sits in an approachable price point in the mid-tier segment and remains popular in the brand's lineup due to its straightforward performance envelope. Performance-wise, the 1000 watt motor provides competent ice crushing and smooth blends for family-sized batches, though it may trail newer 1400W Plus rivals in sheer power. The 72-ounce pitcher is excellent for larger gatherings, but it can feel cumbersome on small counters, and the 64-ounce max liquid capacity means you must monitor fill levels carefully when blending thick mixtures. Cleaning is simple since the pitcher is dishwasher safe, yet the thick plastic container can retain subtle odors over time if not cleaned promptly. Overall usability is strong for everyday smoothies.
List number 2. Ninja Mega Kitchen System. The BL770 combines a 1500 watt motor, a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, and an 8-cup food processor bowl. It's designed for serious batch blending and multifunction kitchen tasks, including dough mixing and chopping, with 4 main functions and multiple blade assemblies optimized for different tasks. The inclusion of 2 16-ounce smoothie cups with lids adds versatility for on-the-go use, making it a true all-in-one system for families and entertaining. Performance-wise, the 1500 watt motor provides ample headroom for dense smoothies, ice crushing, and even dough mixing up to 2 pounds in 30 seconds. The 8-cup food processor bowl expands capabilities beyond blending, enabling chopping and pureeing with dedicated blades. Cleaning remains manageable as components are dishwasher safe, though the number of parts may require a bit more assembly time between tasks. The system excels for users who want a single, powerful appliance that can replace a blender, processor, and some small kitchen devices, albeit at a higher price and larger footprint.
List number 3. Ninja Blender NutriPro Single Serve for Smoothies. The BN401 is Ninja's compact single-serve option with a 1000 peak watt motor and 24-ounce to-go cups. It emphasizes convenience and portability, offering 2 Auto IQ programs that automate blending cycles for smoothies and crushed ice. The NutriPro line is known for enabling quick on-the-go drinks while still delivering solid nutrient extraction and ice pulverization for a compact performer. Performance-wise, the BN401 shines in its portability and speed, producing smooth textures in smaller batches without a bulky footprint. The 24-ounce cups with spill-proof lids enable busy lifestyles, while the Pro extractor blades handle ice, fruits, and vegetables effectively. The compact design makes it a great secondary blender for kitchens with limited space, or for those who want a dedicated portable option. However, its smaller pitcher limits batch size and may require multiple runs for family-sized needs, and the build is lighter than full-size multi-feature systems, potentially affecting long-term durability with heavy daily use.
List number 4. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. The BN701 Professional Plus Blender sits between mid-range and high-end Ninja models with a 1400 peak watt motor. It features 3 Auto IQ programs and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, offering a blend of power and convenience for large batches. This model is designed to appeal to users who want more power and more preset versatility without stepping up to the largest, most feature-rich systems. Performance-wise, the 1400W motor delivers strong ice-crushing performance and faster blending compared to the BL610. The Auto IQ programs automate routine tasks, which is beneficial for busy households.
The 72-ounce pitcher remains a workhorse for large batches, and the dishwasher-safe pitcher and blade assembly simplify maintenance. The BN701 is a compelling choice for families who want better power and more preset options than the BL610, while still avoiding the complexity and price of the BL770.
List number 5. Immersion Blender Handheld Corded Hand Blender Set, 1100 watt. The Turlar Immersion Blender is a budget-friendly handheld option with an 1100 watt motor and a 5-in-1 attachment set: stick blender, chopper, whisk, frother, and beaker. It targets versatility in a compact form factor suitable for soups, sauces, baby foods, and light blending tasks. The inclusion of multiple attachments broadens its practical use without requiring a full-size blender system for large batches or dough processing. It's an excellent secondary tool or budget entry, particularly for those who prioritize immersion blending and portability over batch.